All right, before we get started with fixing this blower motor, anybody can fix a blower motor, right? But not everybody can run their business like a pro, and that's where Jobber comes into play. Whether we're in the attic, on a roof, just working on an air conditioner, the customers don't see the sweat, but they do get the text reminders, clean estimates, and invoices that hit their inbox before I even pick up my tools. Jobber isn't just about organizing my day, which it does a fantastic job, right? But what it does, it makes me look like the company they can trust and use over and over again. Think about it as adding a full-time office staff without having to hire anybody, and you just have that right in your back pocket at all times. If you want to turn every service call into a 5-star customer experience, Jobber takes that blue-collar hustle and gives it that white-collar polish. If you want to get a 14-day free trial, go ahead and click that link down below. Trust me, you guys won't be disappointed. Now, let's go throw this blower motor back in. Since it did go past it, let's clean it a little bit more. We're gonna clean out this blower wheel also. This thing's been a effing game changer. Effing game changer. This thing should not right out, but good enough. There we go. Let's go find a hose, clean this thing off. Thing's dusty, crusty, musty, as the kids would say. Come on, pig. Gross. Good. This thing ain't had no TLC in some years. That's it. It literally was just butted up against the plug there. So I'm gonna feed our feet in. Get our feet fed in. This ain't working. My box ain't working anymore. So I done ripped all the tape. And what I like to do is kind of just get it started. Good and tight. Untighten that just a little bit. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the set screw this way. I think it helps personally when I set this motor back in place. Putting that flat spot of the shaft right here up against it so it kind of goes right in like so. And then put our washers back on. Alright. Just want to make sure when you put this sucker in, you just kind of get it centered to the squirrel cage here. Make sure that you're on the flat side with your screw. And you can go ahead and either use a service wrench to tighten this down,
but I got these right here. And that's good enough for me. There we go. Beautiful. All right, let's go throw it inside.
All right, y'all. That's going to conclude today's video. If you could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.